Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bowmaker, and today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable little wreath bow or present bow in just a few minutes using scraps of ribbon. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire and I'm going to cut a strip that's long enough that I can fold it in half and put it into my Bowdabra, and also have extra, so if I need to tie it onto the wreath, then I will have extra bow wire in order to do that. So what I love about this bow is you're literally just using scraps of ribbon. So I'm going to start by taking my Hugs and Kisses ribbon and put that down here, and my red and white dot, and all I'm doing is putting them in and just alternating. And we're just going to put this down in here and this here. So this is a great bow to make if you have a lot of scraps of ribbon laying around, or you can cut your own pieces and just make this bow, because it's so super simple to make, because literally all you're doing is taking the ribbon and laying it into the Bowdabra. And we're just going to go like this and take this piece. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with Bowdabra, or if you've never, please hit the subscribe button or follow us on Facebook. And every Monday we have a Facebook Live at 4 p.m. Pacific, 5 Mountain, 6 Central, and 7 Eastern. And that's on YouTube or on Facebook. Now what I'm going to do is take my boa and I'm just going to fold it back and forth. And that's going to be the center of my bow. So this is really cute for Valentine's Day, or really any time of the year. And scrunch everything down in here. And take my boa here, bring my Bowdabra bow wire up to the top. Now I have a slip knot. I'm just going to pull that through my slip knot, pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. So when I pull it out, I'm not struggling with my bow, because the bow wire is holding it very, very tightly. So now I'm just going to separate the ends, bring them around to the back, tie this off, and tie a knot. And now I'm just going to let's just tie one more knot, just in case, to be safe. And then now what I'm going to do is just separate the ends, and now you have this beautiful wreath bow that was so super simple to make. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.